Roots of Agile and Scrum. The Rugby Approach. Hello everyone, welcome to the first lecture of this course. We will start with the roots of Agile and how it emerged. Most people think that it emerged from engineering principles and came into practice within engineering. However, this is not the case. The roots of Agile and Scrum came from a research done by Hirotaka Takeuchi and Ikujiro Nonaka in 1986. We will start learning what they found at that time and what their suggestion was for the new product management approach. The rules of the game in new product development are changing. Many companies have discovered that it takes more than the accepted basics of high quality, low cost, and differentiation to excel in today's competitive market. It also takes speed and flexibility. This change is reflected in the emphasis companies are placing on new products as a source of new sales and profits. At 3M, for example, newly launched products account for 25% of sales. Under the old approach, a product development process moved like a relay race, with one group of functional specialists passing the baton to the next group. The project went sequentially from phase to phase: concept development, feasibility testing, product design, development process, pilot production, and final production. Under this method, functions were specialized and segmented. The marketing people examined customer needs and perceptions in developing product concepts. The R&D engineers selected the appropriate design, the product engineers put it into shape, and other functional specialists carried the baton at different stages of the race. Under the Rugby approach, the product development process emerges from the constant interaction of a hand-picked, multidisciplinary team whose members work together from start to finish. Rather than moving in defined, highly structured stages, the process is born out of the team members' interplay. A group of engineers, for example, may start to design the product before all the results of the feasibility tests are in. Or the team may be forced to reconsider a decision as a result of later information. The team does not stop then, but engages in iterative experimentation. This goes on in even the latest phases of the development process. This approach is essential for companies seeking to develop new products quickly and flexibly. The shift from a linear to an integrated approach encourages trial and error and challenges the status quo. It stimulates new kinds of learning and thinking within the organization at different levels and functions. Similarly, this strategy for product development can act as an agent of change for the larger organization. The energy and motivation the effort produces can spread throughout the big company and begin to break down some of the rigidities that have set in over time. In the next lecture, we will start analyzing the common factors of successful enterprises that transitioned to this new approach.